Hello, everyone. Good morning, and welcome to Slow English Listening Practice. I hope you are doing well and having a beautiful day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are going to talk about a very lovely topic, and that is my family. Before I tell you about my family, let us learn some important family vocabulary words together in a simple speaking style. Please listen carefully and repeat after me if you want to practice your English speaking and listening skills. Family. Family means the people who love and care for us. I love my family very much. Mother. Mother means a female parent. My mother is kind, loving, and caring. Father. Father means a male parent. My father works very hard for our family. Sister. A sister is a girl in your family. My sister likes reading books and helping my mother. Brother. A brother is a boy in your family. My brother enjoys playing football with his friends. Parents. Parents mean your mother and father together. My parents always support me and help me in life. Grandmother. Grandmother is the mother of your mother or father. My grandmother tells beautiful stories at night. Grandfather. Grandfather is the father of your mother or father. My grandfather drinks tea every morning and likes gardening. Love. Love means caring deeply for someone. My family gives me love every day. Care. Care means helping and protecting someone. My mother takes care of everyone in the family. Support. Support means helping someone in difficult times. My parents always support my dreams. Respect. Respect means showing kindness and good behavior. We should always respect our parents and elders. Together. Together means staying with each other. My family eats dinner together every evening. Happy. Happy means feeling joy and pleasure. I feel happy when I spend time with my family. Home. Home is the place where your family lives. My home is peaceful, warm, and full of love. Now, let me tell you about my family. There are 5 people in my family, and we all love each other very much. My family is not very big, but it is full of happiness, care, and support. First, I want to talk about my mother. My mother is a very kind and caring woman. She wakes up early every morning and prepares breakfast for the whole family. She always helps me when I have problems, and she teaches me many good things in life. I love spending time with my mother because she always makes me feel safe and happy. Next, I want to talk about my father. My father is hardworking and responsible. He works every day to give our family a good life. In the evening, he likes sitting with us and talking about our day. Sometimes he tells funny stories, and we all laugh together. I also have one brother and one sister. My brother is friendly and helpful. He enjoys playing football and listening to music. My sister is very sweet and intelligent. She likes reading books and helping my mother in the kitchen. Every evening, my family eats dinner together. We talk, laugh, and enjoy our time together. Sometimes we watch television, and sometimes we drink tea and share stories. These small moments make our family bond stronger and more beautiful. On weekends, we often visit our grandparents. My grandmother tells us interesting stories from her childhood, and my grandfather gives us good advice. I always feel peaceful and comfortable when I am with my grandparents. My family always supports me in my studies and my dreams. When I feel sad or tired, they encourage me and give me hope. They teach me to be honest, respectful, and kind to others. I believe family is one of the greatest gifts in life. Money and success are important, but the love of family is more valuable than anything else. No matter what happens in life, my family always stands beside me. I am very thankful for my family because they make my life beautiful and meaningful. I pray that every family stays happy, healthy, and united forever. Thank you so much for listening to my family story today. I hope this listening practice helps you improve your English listening and speaking skills. Keep practicing every day and never stop learning English. Have a wonderful day, and see you again in the next listening practice.